Okay, good morning. We'll start what yesterday where we have left yesterday's class. So yesterday we have seen about functional dependency. We have started with fourth unit, that is functional dependency. So what is functional dependency? Okay. Okay. Yesterday we have started with the informal guidelines how the relational database should be, and we have seen what is relational database. And we'll be discussing about what is first normal form, second, third, and BCNF. So the first thematic rule, what the guideline says to is, informally each tuple in the relation should represent one entity or relationship instance. So what they say is the attributes of different entities like employee, department, project should not be fixed in the same relation. So only the foreign key should be used to refer to the other entities. So then entity and the relationship attribute should be kept apart as much as possible. One second. Okay. So we have seen about the company database, that is employee, department location, project, and work zone. So then redundant information, in case if I have multiple copies, then we are trying to reduce the particular redundancy values. So now suppose if there are two Rashmis in your third semester class, then how to identify them and what are the problems, we'll see them. Right? We have seen about insertion. First we'll see what is the update anomaly. We have seen about that, and we have seen about insert anomaly, delete anomaly, and we have seen this is a two relations where it shows the functional dependency, and we have seen what are the values in those two tables. Then we have seen the second guidelines where the redundant information, what we have to do when the insert, delete, and update anomalies are not working fine. So then we have seen in the third one null values in the tuple. So null values relation should be designed such that their tuples will have as few null values as possible. So then we have seen a surplus tuple. Then we have seen about what are the surplus tuples and how it is working. Then we have started with the functional dependency. How the functionally it is dependent on, and we have seen some rules. One is reflexive. Reflexive means always if x is functionally dependent on y or x determines y, then we say, so this is what x determines y, then we say it is a reflexive. So then the augmentation, so here you add the one more item to this, x is determined by y, then xz determines yz. Then transitivity, x determines y is determined z, then we can say x is determined z. So these are the three reference rules which we can use to refer, saying that what is the functional dependency says to us. Along with this, we have seen three more additional references rule. Decomposition. Decomposition means splitting. So now if x determines yz, then I can say x determines y and x determines z. Then union also, what we have seen, x determines y, x determines z, then I can say x determines yz. Then pseudo transitivity, x determines y, wy determines z, then I can say x and w, x and w and x also determines z. So these are the 6 properties what the inference rule says. First one was reflexive, then augmentation, then transitive, decomposition, union, and pseudo transitivity. So then what is closure? How is a closure functional dependency? We are saying closure of a set F, functional dependency is a F plus of all functional dependency that can be referred from F. So closure, how do we say closure? Of a set attribute X with respect to F is the set X plus of all attributes that are functionally determined by Z. The X plus can be calculated repeatedly applying the inference rules 1, 2, 3 using a functional dependency in the F. Then we have seen what are the equivalent sets for functional dependencies. What is the minimal set for the functional dependency? Then we have seen some more what are the minimal sets for the functional dependency. Then we have just started with normal forms based on the primary keys. So what is normalization? So I may have a bad relation, but I want to make it as a good relation. How to do it? So then in that case, we use something called as a normalization. So then what is a normal form? Conditions using keys and functional dependency of a relation to certain to the of a relation to certify whether a relation schema is in a particular normal form or not. Then we'll be saying what is second normal form, first third normal form, what is BCNF, what is fourth normal form. We'll be seeing in our next slides. So the practically the use of normal forms. Why do we use a normalization? So normalization is carried out in practice so that the resulting design are of high quality and meet the desired properties. So the practical utility of these normal forms becomes questionable when the constraint on which they are based are hard to understand or to detect. So the database designer need not normalize to the highest possible normal form. What is denormalization? The process of sorting the join of the higher normal form relation as a base relation, which is a lower normal form. So then what is a super key, which we have seen even in our relational algebra? Super key is what? A definition of keys and the attributes. Super key of a relation R. So what is a R? R is a table, but whereas we may call it as a relation or table. So in that table, how many columns are there? A1, A2, A3, and what we are calling? We are calling them as the attributes. Is a set of attributes S subset of R. So what do we say? We say that S is again a one set where it is a subset of R. Subset of R means I will take only A1, A2. I call that set as a S. Then what is S? S is a subset of R with the property that no two tuples T1 and T2 in any legal relation state R of R will have a T1 and T2. And what is super key? What is a key? Key is a super key with the additional property that removal of any attribute from K will cause a not a super key anymore. Then what is a candidate keys? If the relation schema has more than one key, each is called as a candidate key. One of the candidate key is arbitrarily designed to be primary. So now suppose we have your name. In your class we have two Deepika. Then how to identify these two Deepika? I can use your names or I can use your USN number. So initially we were not having USN, then we started calling your names to identify each of you. So later on we have when we are calling in your class Deepika, which Deepika should be replying? Then we call with their initials. But still there will be a problem. So for that we will combine two things, that is their name and the initials. So then first name, last name, middle name. So those three we are combining, then that is called as a candidate. So then what is a primary key? Your USN is a primary key. And the others are all secondary keys. Your age, your marks, all those rest of them we are calling it as a secondary. Then what is prime attribute? Prime attribute must be a member of some candidate key. So what is a candidate key? We told now your name, initially we called it as a candidate key. Your first name, middle name and last name. All these three, because in your class there are two Deepikas. To identify each of them differently, then we use each separately. Then those candidate keys we call it as a prime attributes. And the non-prime attributes is not a prime attribute. That is, it is not a member of any candidate key. Then we move on to the first normal form. So before moving on, so let us take one small example. Okay, so you're able to see Rashmi?
Yeah, ma'am.
Whiteboard? Whiteboard
Yes,
you're
ma'am. Yes,
able.
ma'am.
Okay. So now I want you everyone at least listen for this 15 minutes of class, because this is very important where we see a normalization. So what is first normal form? So what is first normal form? So what is first? One second. Okay. So what is your first normal form? Let us see what is first normal form, or what is first normal form? So this first normal form is one. What they say in the first normal form is, so the table, whichever table you take, table should not contain not contain any multiple any multi-valued attribute. So what the first normal form says to us? A table should not contain any multi-valued attribute. What is multi-valued attribute? It should not have many. So let us take one small example. So now in this example, we take a table. So in this table, I will take how many columns? Some columns. One. I will take one more column, one more row. Then I will take one more. So how many columns I want? I want 4. So I have taken 4. Okay. So now I will draw. I want a line, something like this. Okay. So now what I am taking in this is, first I take your roll number. Roll number column. First one is what? Your roll number. What is the second one? Second one, let me take name. So what I'll take name. Okay. The next one, I will take course. Okay. So what is this? Course. So how many columns we have in this table? Roll number, name and course. So let me enter some values into this one. First one I'll enter 1. Second one, what is the name I will enter is, I will enter some name. What name I'll take? Rashmi. Is first name. What's the first name? Student name is Rashmi. What Rashmi has done is, Rashmi has selected 2 courses. One is C and one more I'll take it as C++. Okay. Now what I'll take next is 2. Roll number is 2. What is the name I'll take? I'll take as Spurti. What is the second student name? Spurti. Okay. Then I'll say that Spurti has taken only one course, that is Java. Okay. So let me take third one. Third value of the student. I'll take his roll number is 3. Next is which is next to student is I'll take Anu. Let me take only these 3 people. First. Okay. What Anu is taking? Anu is taking which subject? She will take CE and DBMS. Okay. Okay, now can anyone say whether this table is in first normal form? Can anyone say whether it is in the first normal form or not? One has to reply me. Unmute.
What is first normal form, ma'am?
First normal form andre table alli it should not have multi-valued attribute. Multi-value means what? Multi means what? Many. Many values should not be there. Okay. Now roll number is 1, 2, 3. Is it multi-valued? No. Obrugonde roll number is name. Name. There are 2 names there. No. One is there. One roll number is having Rashmi. Second roll number is Purti. Third roll number is Anu. Okay. What is third roll? Third column? Course. So in that course, C and C++ is what? What is C and C++? Course, alva. So ಈ course ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಈಗ ರಶ್ಮಿ ಏನ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾಳೆ 2 ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾಳೆ 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು what is 2 stands for many, right? ಹೌದಾ? So this table we are saying that it is not in normal form. What it says, this table whatever it is there, this is not this table is not in the normal form. Why? Because Rashmi has taken 2 courses and we told that the first normal form table should not contain any multi-valued attribute. So now Rashmi is having C++. No. Then Anu is also having C and DBMS. No. So now we have to make this table to a first normal form. So the case 1. Let us take one case by case. What is this first normal form says to us? First normal form ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ whichever database ನೀವು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಇರಬಾರದು you should not have what you should not have a multi value. So let us take case 1. Next. So what is case 1? Let me take case 1. Case 1. So what is there in the case 1? I will rewrite the same table. But how can I write the table again? This table I have to make this as to convert that into a first normal form. What I have to do? What I have to do is I have to reframe this table. How I can reframe? The first option, case 1. So what I will do is I will take, this is my table. This is another row. How many I will have to take now? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I should take 6. The case 1, what it says is everyone please listen, this is very important topic. It is first normalization. ಇದು ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಾನು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So now what we have to do? We have to the same table we have to reframe. So reframe means what? I have to make this table in such a way that it should be in a first normal form. Yes, that is what we have to see. I will take what I am doing. See, if I okay, let me read it again. What is the first one? Roll number. Oh, what is the second column? What is the second column name? Second column ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ? ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಒಬ್ರು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. Second column ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ? We have a name in the second column. First one is roll number. Next one is name. And the third one is what?
Course.
Next third one is course. First case ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಈಗೇನು ಈ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಈ ಟೇಬಲ್ ನ ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ? ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಕೇಸ್ ಬೈ ಕೇಸ್ ನೋಡೋಣ, ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಓಕೆನಾ ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? ರೀಲೋಡ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಯ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. Okay, so now what we are doing? One more. What is the 2? Sorry, let me take 1. This also I will take it as 1 only. And this one I will take it as 2. This one I will take it again as 3. This I will take it as 3. Why I am doing that like this is, first one is we have taken it as a roll number. So now Rashmi, what is roll number 1? Rashmi. I will write Rashmi as it is. Okay, so Rashmi has taken how many courses? C and C++. What I will do is, in the first column I will write it as C. In the second one, roll number Rashmi again. Second, first one is also Rashmi. Second one is also Rashmi. And what I will write here? Course. One more course. What Rashmi has taken? C++.
C++.
So next is Spurti. So what Spurti has taken? Spurti has taken only one course. That is, which course Spurti has taken? Only Java. So let me write Java. Next one, Anu. Anu is taken what? Anu is taken which subjects? So Anu is taken C and DBMS. C and just taken DBMS. DBMS. Okay, this is one table. So what we have done? So case 1, what did we take? We have just taken roll number, name and course as one table. In that, roll number 1 is Rashmi, student's name is Rashmi. How many courses Rashmi has taken? C and C++. And roll number 2 is Purti, she has taken Java. Roll number 3 is Anu. She has taken C and DBMS. One case, what I'll write, I'll reframe. What the first normal form says is, first normal form says that I should not have multi-values. So now Rashmi is having two courses. Anu is also having two courses. Like this, we should not have in the table. So then in this way, I can represent. That's what this first one says. I can represent something like this. I can represent something like this. So what did we represent here? We have represented as Rashmi has taken one row is 1 Rashmi C, 1 Rashmi C++. 2 Spurti Java, 3 Anu C, 3 Anu DBMS. Okay. So now can anyone say which column should I make it as primary key in this table? Case 1. Case 1 ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಯಾವುದು ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಕೀ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಯಾವುದು ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಕೀ ಮಾಡಲಿ ನಾನು ಈ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? Anybody? Roll number primary key ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾ?
Roll number, ma'am.
Roll number. Can I do primary key roll number?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
ನೋಡಿ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾ ಅಂತ? 1 1 ಇದೆ, 2 ಇದೆ, 3 3 ಇದೆ ಈ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಕೇಸ್ 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Can I do roll number as primary key? Can I do roll number? So this is my roll number, right? So what is there in the roll number? I have what I have here. Roll number ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ? 1 1 1 duplication ಇದೆ. Primary key ಅಲ್ಲಿ duplication ಇರಬಹುದಾ? Primary keys ಅಲ್ಲಿ duplication ಇರಬಹುದಾ ಇರಬಾರ್ದಾ?
No, ma'am.
So then can I take roll number as primary key?
No, ma'am.
No. Can I take name as primary key?
No.
Can I take name as primary key? No. Why no? Why I cannot take name also?
Even in names also duplication is there, ma'am.
Yeah, good. So in names also there are 2 times Rashmi, there are 2 times Anu, so I cannot take. Okay, can I make course as primary key? Course na nan primary key ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾ? Can I do course as primary key?
No, ma'am.
No? Why?
No.
No, correct. No.
C.
Yeah, so the same way. C I have 2 times. So then I cannot make it as a primary key. So I cannot make. Even this also I cannot make. Okay. Then how to make this in this table primary key? I have to combine 2 things. One is roll number I have to take, and another one I have to take is a course. Then only these 2. So in this table, primary key, that is primary key for this table is what? Primary key for this table, primary key. See, because we don't have board, it is becoming difficult to us to teach you people. Okay, so primary key in this PK is what? Primary key. So what I have to do primary key in this table, I have to make 2 things. One is roll number and course. Can I make these 2 as my primary keys?
Ma'am, when we go to second normalization form, we can make there only, right?
Where?
We will remove duplications, right? There, 1 1 will become 1, 2 2 will be like 2 become 2, 3 3 become 3. So there we can make primary key, right?
No. We cannot do. So first our table should be removed with the multi-value. So this is my table. Okay, first table what I have. First case I am showing like this. Can I write this table, original table? Case 1. If I write like this, what is the problem? So what is the problem? Can anyone say? Here, see, suppose, let me assume that Rashmi, how she can add some more courses, and here we also have duplicates. Like this, we should not have in any table. This is not a good table. This is not a good relation. Yes, this is case 1. So in the case 1, there is a problem. Okay, let us.
ಡುಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಲ್ವಾ ಆಲ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬಿಟ್ಟು
Okay, ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಇವಾಗ ಈ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಹೇಳಿ ಈ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಇದೆಯಪ್ಪ ಈಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಏನಿದೆ ರೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ ನೇಮ್ ಇದೆ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ರಶ್ಮಿ ರೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ 1 2 3 ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಶ್ಮಿ ಓಕೆ ರಶ್ಮಿ ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿ 1 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ C++ ರಶ್ಮಿ ಹಸ್ ಟೇಕನ್ 2 ಕೋರ್ಸಸ್ C and C++ ಈ ತರ ನಾವು ಹಾಕೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ತರ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು
ನಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅದು ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದಲ್ವಾ
ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾನು ರಶ್ಮಿಗೆ ಈ ತರ ಒಂದು ಈ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಒನ್ ರಶ್ಮಿ ಸಿ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿದೀನಿ, ಒನ್ ರಶ್ಮಿ C++ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿದೀನಿ, ಹೌದಾ? ಬಟ್ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಹಾಕೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ರಶ್ಮಿ ಅಂಡ್ ರೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಅದೇ ತರ ಅನು ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಅನು ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ರಿಪೀಟೆಡ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಿ ಅಂಡ್ DBMS ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸಿ ಅಂಡ್ DBMS ಅನು ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟೇಕನ್, ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ 3 2 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್, ಅನು 2 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ವೇ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸೂಟಬಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅಸ್ ಟು ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಎ ಟೇಬಲ್. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಿ ಕೇಸ್ 2. ಕೇಸ್ 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ಹೌ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ಇನ್ ಅ ಕೇಸ್ 2. ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಐ ಕಾಪಿ ದಿಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ? ದಿಸ್ ಟೂಲ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಹೆಂಗ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿದೀನಿ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನನ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ಗೆ ಐ ಸಿ ಟು ದಟ್ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಐ ಸಿ ಟು ದಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಕೇಸ್ 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎನಿವನ್ ಸೇ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅದರ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ವೇರ್ ಈ ಟೇಬಲ್ ನ ನಾನು ಮಲ್ಟಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಡ್ ನ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಮಲ್ಟಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರಿಮೂವ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅದರ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್, ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ? ಒನ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರಿಬೋದು ಈ ಟೇಬಲ್ ನ ಅಂತ? ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು? ಅದೇ ನಾವು ನಾರ್ಮಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಕಲಿತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಇಷ್ಟು ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾದ್ರೆ, ಇಫ್ ವಿ ನೋ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲೈಸೇಷನ್, ದೆನ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ ಫಾರ್ ಅಸ್. Case 2, in case 2 what we are doing is, case 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಈ ತರ, I am just giving you a hint how to do. First one is roll number, second one is what, name. I want everyone please concentrate, this is very important topic, that is normalization. ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ಇಟ್. ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಡೇಟಾಬೇಸ್ ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದಾಗ ನೀವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಅನದರ್ ವೇ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ 1, ಹೌದಾ? ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ? ನಾನು ಕೋರ್ಸ್ 1 ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿದೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದತ್ರ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಕೋರ್ಸ್ 2 ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಶೋ ಯು ಹೌ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ರೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಏನಿದೆ ರೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2, ಆಮೇಲೆ 3 ಏನಿದೆ ರೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ 3 ಇದೆ, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೇಮ್ ಏನಿದೆ, 1 ರೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ನೇಮ್ ಏನು, ರಶ್ಮಿ. 2 ರೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ರೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ,
ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿ.
ಓಕೆ, ಪೂರ್ತಿ. ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಾನು ಈಗ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ. ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಇಸ್ ರಿಟೇನ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್. Don't worry much about spelling. I just want to explain you what is a concept for first normal form. Okay, Spurti. And the last one is what? Anu. Okay. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಶ್ಮಿ ಏನ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾಳೆ? ರಶ್ಮಿ ಏನೇನ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾಳೆ? ಕೋರ್ಸ್ 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ, ಓಕೆನಾ? Can I write like this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. First in course 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ರಶ್ಮಿ ಅಂತ ರಶ್ಮಿ ಏನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾಳೆ, 2 ಕೋರ್ಸಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಒಂದು ಸಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಹೌದಾ? C++ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ತರ C++ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿ ವಾಟ್ ಶಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟೇಕನ್? What Spurti has taken? How many subjects Spurti has taken? She has taken only Java.
Only one
subject. Okay. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾವಾ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿದೆ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು? ಬೇಗ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಹಾಕ್ಲಿ? ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಹೈಫನ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಾ? ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು? ಅರ್ಜುನ್ ಏನ್ ಹಾಕ್ಲಿ ನಾನು? ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿ ಒಂದೇ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾಳೆ ಜಾವ, ಏನ್ ಹಾಕ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ?
Yeah, ma'am. iPhone, ma'am.
ಐಫೋನ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಾ? ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ
Yeah.
ಸಜೆಷನ್?
Yeah, ma'am.
ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ನಲ್.
No.
ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ನನ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ನನ್ಗೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ನನ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಅನು ಏನ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾಳೆ? ಅನು ಏನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾಳೆ? ಸಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಏನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾಳೆ? DBMS. ಓಕೆ, ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಓಕೆನಾ? ಈ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಓಕೆನಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್ ಶುಡ್ ಐ ಟೇಕ್ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಕೀ? ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್ ಶುಡ್ ಐ ಟೇಕ್ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಕೀ? ಕೇಸ್ 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಕೀ?
Roll number.
ರೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಮೈಥಿಲಿ, ರೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್?
Yes, ma'am.
Roll number. Maitri only, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Roll number. Correct. So this table is it okay? Anybody? Okay na idu? Ee table nimge okay ansta idya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay na? Okay. ಈಗ ನನಗೆ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ರಶ್ಮಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ, ನಾನು ಬೇಗ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಕಲಿಬೇಕು, ನನ್ ಬೇಗ ಜಾಬ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವಳು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ, ಸೊ ಶಿ ವಿಲ್ ಲರ್ನ್ 10 ಕೋರ್ಸಸ್. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ 2, ಕೋರ್ಸ್ 1, ಕೋರ್ಸ್ 2 ಹಾಕಿದೀನಿ, ಕೋರ್ಸ್ 3 ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು, ಕೋರ್ಸ್ 4 ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು, ಕೋರ್ಸ್ 5 ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು, ಕೋರ್ಸ್ 6 ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ರಶ್ಮಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕಲಿತಾಳೆ, ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿ ಕಲಿಯಲ್ಲ, ಅನು ಕಲಿಯಲ್ಲ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ 3 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಶ್ಮಿ ಜಾವಾ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿಗೆ ಅನುಗೆ ಏನ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ನಾನು? ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಎಂಟರ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ 3, because Rashmi has taken only one subject. Spurti has not taken, Anu has not taken. Then what I have to write? I have to write null like this. So if I keep adding, Rashmi has taken 10 courses, course 3, course 4, course 5, course 6, course 7, I have to add. Because only Rashmi has taken all the courses, so only Rashmi column I have to fill. How about Spurti column and Anu column? Anu rows and Spurti rows? I have to write null. Avudalva? Yes or no? I have to write entering a null here. Then is this the good way of representing the table? Yes, same in a table. If I have more number of nulls, is it okay? Is it okay if more number of nulls idre okay na table alli? No, that is also a bad practice. This is also not good case of writing. Okay, the last case is case 3. Let me write here case 3. So in the case 3, what I will do is I will take in case 3, what I am doing is I am just taking how many rows we have? 3. One, 2, and 1 more. This one, can I copy this? Let me see. I copy the roll number table. Okay. So what is my first one says to me? The first one is what? Roll number. Okay. So what I'll take here in the first table, I will just take roll number. What is the second column says to me? I will take second column as name. Okay. So what I will enter here? I will enter 1. How many roll numbers I have? 1. 1. 1. Then 2. Then 3. Okay. So names ಏನೇನಿದೆ? Rashmi. Rashmi. Then Purti. Last one. Devi. Anu. Okay. So this is one table. One more table, what I'll do is, I will take something like this. Everyone listening? I want everyone to listen, please. This is very important topic. First normal form. If you understand first normal form, rest of them will be easy. So, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ? I will take roll number. I will take course. Take course. Yes. See. Okay. So ಈಗ roll number ಏನಿದೆ 1 ಹೌದಾ next roll number ಏನಿದೆ 2 third roll number ಏನಿದೆ 3 courses ಏನಿದೆ what courses I have I will add, I have to add 1. Here, Rashmi has taken C. Rashmi has taken C++. Then, Purti has taken what Spurti has taken? Spurti has taken only Java. Yellow click ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ then Java. Now two more rows I have to insert here down. ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. I will just take here. This is one more row and one more row. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನಿದೆ left over things. That is Spurti's roll number is 3. Sorry, Anu roll number is 3 and one more is 3. Then what is the Anu's row subjects? C. One more DBMS. Okay. So now, what did we do in the case 3? In the case 3, we have split into two tables. One table is roll number 1, 2, 3 and name is Rashmi, Spurti and Anu. In one more table, roll number 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3. Course is C, C++, Java, 3, 3, C, C++. So in this case, which first table, which is primary key? First table, primary key. What is the primary key in the first table? What's the primary key in the first case table? Roll number is a primary key? Yes or no? Which one is the primary key in this table? So roll number is a primary key. Agreed? Which one is a primary key in this? Roll number is a primary key. Okay. Then what is roll number here in this table? Can anyone say what is the roll number here? What is the roll number here? Reference key. Good. So power, right? So this is a reference key. That is foreign key. Roll number here, it is a foreign key. So this is the best way. E table is very good table compared to these two cases. This is what we are calling it as a first normal form. What did we do? We have broke this table. So here also you can keep adding any number of courses, but still Rashmi USN is only one. And in the same way, Spurti USN roll number is only 2. Anu USN is only 3. So like this, we can add any number of courses, but still we are not using null, and there is no blanks here. And in this case, repetition was there. In the case when Rashmi was repeated, do we repeat here? Still very less things we are repeating. We are repeating only numbers, and we are mapping how many Rashmi courses has taken. So this one is called as the first normal form. Any doubt in this? Anybody? Arjun, Rashmi, Pawan?
Yes, ma'am. Got.
Okay. So what we have to do? First table. What is the first table we have? Roll number we have 1, 2, 3. Name is what? Rashmi, Spurti and Anu. Third course what Rashmi has taken? C++. Spurti has taken Java. Anu has taken C and DBMS. But if the table should be in first normal form means what? It should not have a multi-valued attribute. Multi-value means what? Multi means what? Many. So here in this case, in this table we have a C++. Here also we have a C and a DBMS. So this should not be there in the tables because I don't know. I have to uniquely represent. So the first case, if I write like this table. So what is the problem in this first table? First case, Rashmi's roll number is repeated, Rashmi is repeated, roll number is repeated, Rashmi is repeated, Anu is repeated. Yes, roll number of Anu is also repeated. So then we cannot say this is not a good way of writing the table. Okay, next what did we do? In the second case, we have taken roll number, name we have taken, but we keep adding a course 1, course 2, like this we keep adding. This is okay, but because Rashmi has taken 2 subjects. Spurti has taken only 1, and if she has not taken course 2, then I have to write null. This is okay because it is only course 2. Suppose if Rashmi has taken 10 courses, course 3, course 4, like this she keeps going till 10 and no others have taken. Then what about Spurti's place null? Spurti course 3, I have to write null. So null, I have to write. So again, this is not a good case of forming tables. This is also not a good way. Okay, the last way, what the case 3, what it says, we will split this table into 2 tables. One table will be having first roll number and Rashmi. Another table will be having a roll number and course. In the roll number, what did we do? 1, 2, 3. And in the name, what we are doing, Rashmi, Spurti and Anu we have taken. And you can see there are no redundancies here. There are no nulls here. Now the Rashmi repeat agidya agila. Anu repeat agidya agila. Roll number of Rashmi is repeated? No. Anu roll number is repeated? No, it is not repeated. So then this is a good. Okay, because there are no repetition, no waste of memory. So this is one table. So the same table here, what we have done, we have taken only roll number and a course. Now I can add any number, and here in the second table also, did I add null anywhere? No, I didn't add a null also. Adding null means what? Leaving blank space. Why should we waste memory? We should not waste memory. So this is how the third case is okay, better way of writing splitting the table. Then you can see here we have arrived to saying that there are no multi-values. Something in the first table, we have a multi-value here that is being removed. Yes, got it? So this is about the first normal form. I'll stop here. We'll continue in the next case. Answer your attendance. Asta? Asta? Fast, answer fast. Asta is absent.
Yes.
Present? Okay. Abhinav? Aishwarya? Amresh?
Present, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Anu?
Aishwarya, present, ma'am.
Yeah, Anu?
Present, ma'am.
Arbas?
Present, ma'am.
Arjun?
Present, ma'am.
Ashok?
Present, ma'am.
Benita?
Present, ma'am.
Bhargavi?
Present, ma'am.
Bhavishya?
Present, ma'am.
Chaitra,
Present, ma'am.
Devmalai, Diksha,
Present, ma'am.
Deepika,
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Murli Krishna,
Present, ma'am.
Gangubai,
Present, ma'am.
Gujia,
Present, ma'am.
Harshit,
Present, ma'am.
Junjar, Kavya,
Present, ma'am.
Kishore,
Present, ma'am.
Lata,
Yes, ma'am.
Manisha,
Present, ma'am.
Manjunath,
Yes, ma'am.
Nayana,
Present, ma'am.
Neelanjan, Nishant,
Present, ma'am.
Pavitra,
Present, ma'am.
Maithili,
Present, ma'am.
Priyanka,
Present, ma'am.
Pavan,
Present, ma'am.
Akash,
Present, ma'am.
Rajeshwari,
Present, ma'am.
Rakesh, Ramya,
Present, ma'am.
Rashmi,
Present, ma'am.
Ravi,
Ma'am.
Rizwan,
Present, ma'am.
Vishal,
Present, ma'am.
Savita,
Yes, ma'am.
Shruti,
Present, ma'am.
Sneha,
Yes, ma'am.
Spurti,
Present, ma'am.
Srinidhi, Srinivas,
Present, ma'am.
Sunil,
Present, ma'am.
Vaishnavi, Vinny.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. So hope so you people have understood this. First
Ma'am,
normal form. Temalai.
Ma'am, Astha also present.
Asta marked. Okay. Asta. Abhinav is present. Okay. So hope so that you people have understood this first normal form. If yeah, Vaishnavi, I'll mark.